4x4 farm. So decided I wanted to paint the interior of the Jeep today. I saw this TikTok video. You get your can of paint, your tape, and come up to it, get it parked in the garage, shaded area, throw it in there, shake it, you walk away, you're like 10 minutes. All right guys, it's been 10 minutes. Let's go back, see what happened. All right, here we are. I'm gonna try it again. Oh my, oh, it really worked. I thought they were joking. The TikTok worked. Holy cow. All I did was go 10 minutes. It's all painted. What? That's amazing. Let's go to the other side. I can't believe it worked. Holy cow. Oh my. That's amazing. All the trash is just left right there. All I gotta do is pick it up, throw it away. What? Holy crap. Let's go back around. Let's make sure this is real. Oh, that's real. What? Trash, 2 cans of paint. I can't believe it worked.